Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elcarmen. If you are new on this channel, where have you been? Well, you're welcome. And if you're a subscriber already, you're welcome back. If you're just joining for the first time, or if you've been watching this video and you've not subscribed, oh, you're hurting me, please subscribe, please and please subscribe. And thanks to all my subscribers already, I'm very grateful. So today, very quick, I'm actually going out. Today is the 8th of September on a Sunday. Yesterday was 7th and I had a lot of, I said earlier, now we're on our way to Salto de Armadillo. We are going to see the waterfall there. We're actually going for canopying. So I'm going to be showing you my first canopy experience. These are the police, like the police here. God save me there. So we're already at the armadillo, and Gibson is trying to talk to the man, asking information about the place, how long is it and how dangerous it is. Actually, this is like Gibson's second time, but this is my own first time, and I had to ask some information, but which I did. So that's just all about this. And that's the man's partner over there. So he's the one that will be at the other end, while he is the one that is always at the beginning. They're actually very supportive. And these are the first set of people I saw doing the canopy that gave me the courage. That's the guy and that's the girlfriend. I was able to interview them at the end of his canopy experience, because it was the only one that actually went on it. And I was able to interview some other people too that did after him, so that I will have the courage to go. So guys, vámonos, let's go. Hello guys, someone is actually coming out anytime soon. That's actually the waterfall. Okay, the waterfall is about 30 meters high, wide, and 20 meters high. Wait for the guy to come. Wow. Let's just enjoy the view of the waterfall. Guys, can you see the guy? Guys, this is Mirador de Armadillo. It actually means like a place where you can view the river. Yeah, people are actually viewing the river from here. Yeah. Guys, those are people in the river playing, having a nice time. This is the side where we are going to come back from, and it is 350 meters away from where we are. So the guy is actually returning now. If you listen very well, there is a sound that is coming out from this thing, and the sound is very, very loud. So that's the guy coming down. So after this, I'm going to be interviewing him. Hello.
Hello.
Please, can you introduce yourself a bit?
Hello, my name is Kyle. This is mi esposa Majo.
Hola.
I just do the adventure.
Yes, so how was your experience?
It was very exciting, and this is the best zip line I've ever done for going fast, and yeah.
Were you scared at any point?
I was a little scared not to hit my head. Just you have to lean back at the end.
And I hope I can do it, because I'm actually scared. Why didn't you go?
What you say?
Why didn't you go with him? Or do you?
Because I did it before, like 2 years old ago. I visited Mangal Cura, and I did it single. But right now I come with my husband and try to eat.
Where are you guys from?
Guayaquil, Guayaquileña, Florida.
Florida. You came to greet her in Ecuador.
See?
Okay. Thank you very much for your time.
You.
Guys, this is another set of people. Say hola. These are another set of people going now. So let me see if I can capture them in the front. Yeah, that's another person going. Guys, that's the other lady that went now, the boyfriend, I guess. That land that you're seeing up there, we're going to walk up the hill till we get there. So that's where we're going to come back from. Guys, they're coming back. Hola.
Hello.
Hello. Do you speak English?
No tanto.
Okay, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien.
Okay, por favor, tu nombre. ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Mi nombre es Jennifer Avillán.
¿Tú?
Yair Zambrano.
Ok. ¿Qué es tu experiencia acá?
Muy increíble, la verdad. Es una adrenalina lo máximo.
¿Tú?
Igualmente, muy lindo. ¿Lo disfrutaste?
Sí, demasiado.
Seguro.
Sí, segurísimo.
Gracias. Mi nombre es Grace.
Mucho gusto.
Okay, gracias. Guys, I just finished interviewing 3 people. Like 4 people. The first set of people are couples, and the second set of people are like boyfriend and girlfriend. And they told me their experience. The second people spoke Spanish, while the first set of people spoke English. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. Yeah, guys, we're going to eat now, and let's see how the food is gonna taste. Okay, guys, I'm eating the food now that Gibson got me. Ceviche. Gibson, what's the name?
Bueno, ahí lo trato de recortar.
What's the name?
Ceviche.
Ceviche. Plantain. It's made of green plantain and fish. Yeah, it tastes nice. You better do quick before I finish this thing.
Yeah, wait, don't eat it all.
Myself on my own canopy experience. Please pray for me, Gibson, pray for me. Okay, guys, see you up there. Guys, I'm going now.
Suerte, buen viaje.
Yeah, I'm going now, and unfortunately for me, I didn't know my camera was showing back. I thought it was in front, but later I was able to get it myself. But I was already close to where I was going to land, and I was actually a little bit scared. Like, I won't lie, I was scared. Hello.
Are you afraid?
Hello, guys. I'm here, so we are going to climb up to go to the nest, to go back. I didn't really grab when I was coming, so I'm going to grab it now. I just pray my battery stays till I go. It was not scary at all. It was interesting. I love it. I was rolling.
Up.
Sit up.
No, sit.
Guys, I'm going back now. Going back here, I was actually a little bit scared because it's actually farther than the other one. That other one was very close, so I had to hold the rope very tight. And when I was landing, I didn't even know I'd gotten there already. You can see. Yeah, it was fun though. I really enjoyed it.
Aquí.
Yeah.
¿Qué tal?
Bien,
Sí.
bien.
¿Cuál le gustó más? ¿Este?
See? Hello guys, so this is Armadillo Extreme. Their name is Armadillo Extreme. So you can visit them on Facebook, you can visit them on Instagram, you can visit them on Twitter. Just look for Armadillo Extreme. The canopy experience was actually very interesting. So guys, visit them. This is where it's happening in Elcarmen. It's in Elcarmen, Armadillo in Elcarmen. So they have a waterfall you can view, and you can do canopy to and fro. The canopy is actually a very great experience. This is my first time, and I actually enjoyed it. Guys, I give them thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Yeah, guys, Armadillo Extreme is the name. Visit them and follow them to know much about it. Bye, guys.